Aloha, welcome to Chappy's Tiki Bar. This episode, I'm going to make a diet tiki drink. We also have best tropical destination stories and Appies with Chappy by the lake where we're going to have mooncakes and I'm going to make a B-52 shooter. So join me and my little Chihuahua Mookie for a drink at my tiki bar. We saved you a seat. Chappy's Tiki Bar now has a second location, a little place I like to call the internet. So sit back, relax, and have a drink with us. Aloha and welcome to Chappy's Tiki Bar. I'm Chappy, with me as always is Mookie. We got a great show today on Appies with Chappy by the lake. We're going to have mooncakes. What do you think of that, Mookie? First up, I'm going to make a Bay Breeze. Bay Breeze is very simple. It's just pineapple juice, cranberry juice, and vodka. I'm going to do a lighter version. So I got this guy for my tiki mug today. And I'm going to add a little ice. All right, so I'm going to go with the good stuff, the Grey Goose. Mookie, we're going to get our goose on. All right, and as I said, it's just pineapple and cranberry. So we'll go with some pineapple. And then I said we're going to lighten it up, so I have some diet cranberry. And then the recipe doesn't call for it, but I'm going to add a little bit of club soda. If you don't like your tiki drinks too sweet, this will lighten it up. And I'm cutting back on the sugar. All right, so that's a Bay Breeze. Very good. All right, as I said, we got mooncakes for Appies with Chappy by the lake, but first I'm going to head over to the Tiki Bar and we're going to have best tropical destination stories. We're going to do something a little different. I'm going to do a reading for best tropical destination stories, so stay tuned for that. Welcome to my Tiki Bar. Come on over, pull up a bar stool. So I call this segment Best Tropical Destination Stories. So as I said before, we're going to do something a little different. I'm going to do a reading. So I have this book by R.J. Rathbun. My favorite poem from this book is actually written by R.J. and it's called Skirt Story. And I read it on my Garden Raid Pink Denny episode, so look out for that. This is my second most favorite poem from this book. It's called Cocktail Music. So we're not doing any tropical destination stories this week, but if you have any tropical destination stories, send them to chappiness@yahoo.com and I'll read it on my show. All right, so here we go. This is Cocktail Music by Chase Twitchel. All my life, a brook of voices has run in my ears. Many separate instruments, tuning and playing, tuning. It's cocktail music. The sound of my parents in their 30s. Glass-lined buckets, loaded and reloaded, but no one tending bar. Little paper napkins, cigarettes, kids passing hors d'oeuvres. It's drinking music. Riffle of water over stone, ice in glass. Rise and fall of many voices touching. It's drinking music. Husbands grilling meat, squirting the fire to keep it down. A joke erupting. Bird voices snipping at something secret by the bar. It's all the voices collapsed into one voice. Urgent and muscled like a river. Then lowered as in a drought. But never gone. It's the background. When I lift the shell to my ear, it's in there. And that was Cocktail Music by Chase Twitchel from In Their Cups by A.J. Rathbun. All right, coming up next, Appies with Chappy by the lake.
Come on now, Mookie, you ain't nothing but a hound dog. This is Appies with Chappy by the lake. We're going to have appetizers and a cool, refreshing drink. Come on now, Mookie, don't be cruel. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Aloha, welcome to Appies with Chappy by the lake. Mookie's here somewhere. She's a little self-conscious because she's lost a little weight. She's on the South Beach diet. Where are you? Oh, here she is. Hello, Mookie. Oh, Close your mouth, darling. I think she looks good. She's a little skinny. Alright, so today we're going to have, for Appies with Chappy by the Lake, some moon cakes. And then I'm going to make a B52. So these are the moon cakes. Just gonna see what it says about moon cakes. It says a moon cake is a Chinese bakery product traditionally eaten during the Mid-Autumn Festival. The festival is about lunar appreciation and moon watching, and moon cakes are regarded as an indispensable delicacy. Moon cakes are offered between friends or family gatherings while celebrating the festival. The Mid-Autumn Festival is one of the 4 most important Chinese festivals. So that's my moon cakes. So to go with my moon cakes, Appies with Chappy by the Lake always needs a drink. So today I'm going to make a B52 shooter. It's composed of Bailey's, Kahlua, and Grand Marnier. Now I have a B52 shooter glass, and it actually has the recipe on the back. So it says 3/4 ounce of Grand Marnier, 3/4 ounce of Irish cream, 3/4 ounce of Kahlua. Now it has it in order, which is important because it's going to be a layered drink. So you're going to want to put the Kahlua in first. So we'll go ahead and mix up my B52. I'll just use a spoon to help out the layering process here. That's my B52 to go with my moon cakes. Thanks for watching another edition of Chappy's Tiki Bar. This is Mookie and I'm Chappy. We're saying life is hard. That's just how it goes, but sometimes it goes the other way. So make sure you give me a like and subscribe at the bottom, and we'll see you next time on Chappy's Tiki Bar.